Looking to replace a power supply in your Dell Optiplex or Vostro? Today we're checking out the AC260EBS-00, a 260W power supply designed as a replacement for several Dell models. This unit is compatible with a range of Optiplex desktops, including the 3,000 metric tons, 5,000 metric tons, and 7,000 metric tons, as well as Vostro models like the 3710 and 3910, and even the T3660. It's also listed as compatible with the XPS 8950. The AC260EBS-00 is designed to replace several Dell part numbers, including H260EBS-00, L260EBS-00, and D260EBS-00. It also replaces part numbers like 0NCM9, HVW4Y, 5FK, 7C, and 7JJF. This makes it a versatile option if you're not entirely sure which exact power supply your system originally came with. This power supply features the standard connectors you'd expect: an 8-pin connector, a 4-pin connector, and another 4-pin connector. The power supply supports 100-240V input at 50 to 60 Hz, drawing 4.2A. The maximum output is, as mentioned, 260W. The AMPBORE AC260EBS-00 is an ATX form factor power supply using a standard air cooling method. Dimensions are approximately 7.36 inches long, 3.23 inches wide, and 2.44 inches high. If you're experiencing power issues with your Dell Optiplex or Vostro, or if you're building a budget-friendly system using these components, the AC260EBS-00 could be a viable replacement option. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.